So starting with the fish, we have some fish fillet here which is cut into fingers. So if you want to know the recipe for this, you can check the link in the description below. Apart from this, we have some refined flour which is 1 cup, half cup corn flour, we have some salt, we have some pepper, we have some Tabasco sauce, we have some ketchup, we have some thyme, we have some Dijon mustard, we have some baking powder, we have some lemon, and lastly we have some soda water. We'll start by marinating the fish. We'll take some salt, then a half teaspoon of thyme, some crushed pepper, some lime juice, a teaspoon of Dijon mustard. So Dijon mustard is a French mustard paste which you can find in any departmental store. Now we'll just mix it thoroughly and marinate the fish. We'll allow the fish to marinate for around 20 to 25 minutes. In the meanwhile, we'll start preparing the batter for the fish. So for the batter, we have half cup of cornstarch. Then we have 1 cup of refined flour, some salt for seasoning, some crushed pepper, around half teaspoon of baking powder, and now we'll take around 2 to 3 cups of soda depending on the thickness of our batter. You can add the soda little by little to check if your desired consistency of the batter is achieved. We'll start mixing the batter. Make sure whenever you're mixing the batter, there should be no lumps. We add soda instead of water so that your batter becomes too light, and when you fry the fish into it, you will not have that heavy feeling of like the too much of batter into it. The food will be very light in texture. So our fish is still marinating. Till our fish gets marinated, we will start making a cocktail sauce. So for the cocktail sauce, we have here around 4 tablespoons of mayonnaise. We'll add a little bit of salt for seasoning, some crushed pepper, a tablespoon of Tabasco sauce for the spiciness, and 2 teaspoons of tomato ketchup. Now we'll just mix it well. Our cocktail sauce is ready. Our fish has been nicely marinated for 15-20 minutes. Now it's time to fry the fish. So now our oil is hot enough. We are using sunflower oil. Sunflower is the best oil to deep fry all our fried items. Now we'll start by frying the fish. So we have just put the fish into the batter. Make sure the batter has been coated on the fish properly. If you feel the batter is little thin, you can adjust the batter by adding a little more refined flour to it. Now shake off the excess on the side and just put this into the hot oil on one side. Repeat this for all the fish. One great tip while frying the fish, make sure you separate the fish using your spatula so that they don't stick to each other. So this way you will have one single fish at a time. So you get one individual pieces like this. Our fish is now nice and crispy. We'll start removing this and put it on a paper which has been lined on a plate. Now let's plate the fish. Our fish finger with cocktail sauce is ready.